Hello, in front of me I've got Peugeot 508. In this video I'll show you how to connect the charger to the car. In the beginning, let's take a look right here and open this club. Now the car has closed, thanks to which we can plug in the charger. When the green light is lightning, it means the charging is on. Also, when this red light is lightning, it means that you can't plug out the charger. If you want to do it, you have to unlock the car. And now you'll be able to unplug the charger. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.